Good morning everyone. Today we will present a short simulation video on the export-import process between Malaysia and Singapore. In this case, our exporter Malaysia Bakery Sendirian Berhad will export frozen brownies to Singapore using the Incoterm FOB in Port Klang. Now, let's see how the export-import procedure happen from the start to finish.
The frozen brownies from Malaysia Bakery are very popular. Let's place a new order. I would like to order 500 boxes of frozen brownies from Malaysia Bakery Sendirian Berhad for our Singapore store. Here the purchase order. I will email right away.
A new order from Sweet Delight. Great news! Okay, we confirm your order of 500 boxes of frozen brownies. I will now prepare the pro forma invoice and send it by email to your confirmation. Done. The pro forma invoice has been sent.
We would like to apply for a letter of credit to pay Malaysia Bakery Sendirian Berhad for our brownies order.
Of course. Please provide your purchase order and pro forma invoice. So, here we go. Wait a minute. Thank you. We will process your application and issue the letter of credit to the exporter banks in Malaysia. Alright. Thank you.
Oh, good news! We have received the letter of credit notification from our bank. Now we can start preparing the shipment and required export document. Documents are ready. Time to inform the freight forwarder.
Hello, this is Malaysia Bakery. This is your freight forwarder speaking. So I booked the sales space with the shipping agent and arranging the transportation and for container pickup. So the truck will collect the empty container tomorrow and bring it to your warehouse for loading. Thank you.
Hi, good morning sir. I'm here to pick up the goods for Sweet Delight shipment.
Oh, perfect timing. The brownies are already packed and ready for delivery.
Yes, I'm almost arrived sir. Alright. Hi mister, are you on the phone with me recently?
Yes, me.
Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna need your signature first.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay, looking good sir. Thank you sir.
Okay, please deliver it safely to the Port Klang.
Of course sir, it is my job after all.
Alright.
Okay sir.
Okay, thank you sir.
Yes, always at your service sir.
Okay.
This is Port Klang operation. The container from my bakery has arrived. We will handle container yard operation, security scanning, and stowage planning for loading onto the vessel. Everything's in order, ready for custom clearance.
Let me check your document please. Thank you. The key to export declaration, certificate of origin, commission amounts, and packing list. Document complete. Export approved.
Right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now the shipment is clear for export.
Hello sir, good morning sir. Good morning, have a seat. Alright, thank you sir. Alright sir, the container has been loaded on board the vessel Malaysia Harmony. Here the bill of lading for your record.
Okay, we check. Okay, thank you officer, that I send to this exporter bank for payment process.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you, sir. Nice to meet you, sir.
Hello, this is Sweet Delight. Can you come to my office tomorrow? Yeah, I got something to discuss with you. Right. Thank you.
Hi, sir.
Alright. Sweet Delight, your books are now on board and we have received the shipping documents like the bill of lading, commercial invoice and packing list.
Great. Please make a payment to Malaysia Bakery under the letter of credit.
Alright. Payment process successfully. Here is your document for custom clearance in Singapore.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Alright.
Hello Malaysia Bakery, good news for you because the container has arrived at Singapore port and the custom clearance are complete. Thank you Malaysia Bakery for your service. Until we meet again. Thank you.
Simulation shows how the export-import process works under Incoterm FOB in Port Klang, from order placement, shipping arrangement, documentation to final delivery. Every step in cladding banking, custom and logistic coordination plays an important role in ensuring a smooth international trade transaction. A good export-import operation depends on accurate documentation, efficient logistic handling, compliance with custom regulation, and of course, a good communication between all parties involved. Thank you for watching our simulation video of exporting frozen brownie from Malaysia to Singapore. So,